We might have 2 remote ROVs in the water, we've got a survey team, we've got something on the seabed and a crane over the side, and all of this is pretty much doing a subsea dance 200 metres down, trying to make something line up within the millimetre while it's blowing a storm outside with 3 or 4 metre waves. Bringing all that together with 100 people on board, all working towards the same goal. When that's humming, it's absolutely amazing. I'm Sean Van Steel, I'm the Engineering Director at CoreMarine. I'm a naval architect. I started at the Australian Maritime College in Launceston. When I graduated, I moved over to Norway, where I spent close to 10 years working as an offshore engineer, designing and installing some of the largest structures you'll find in the world. We work in 2 areas. One is the sort of design, development and installation of offshore structures, whether that's power cables, mooring systems, offshore wind turbines. We also have a core digital branch, which is developing software and hardware for looking at asset integrity. One of our first projects, actually, the Under restaurant in southern Norway, it combined marine science, oceanography and our core of ocean engineering. We quickly realised that it was going to be very heavy waves that were going to really blow over the top of the building, so we need to engineer it to something that would normally do offshore. So it was a heavy research piece around how can we actually attract some marine life, fish life, something interesting for the diners to look at. So working with marine scientists and us as the ocean engineers, and then world-leading architects, we came up with what ended up being Under and installing that, which is just a phenomenal building there. I spoke at the Tasmanian Mineral and Energy Conference earlier this year, and there I was talking about this future industry of offshore wind and what is actually needed to get those projects built. Meeting at these events in person is invaluable. Being able to spitball ideas and come up with new solutions or opportunities is just amazing. The work that we do, we see has great opportunity for Tasmania. Building these new industries and new opportunities there to allow the state to really prosper, that would be an amazing legacy to be part of.